held him close through shattered glass, the only son she had, her last. He whispered, "Mama, I'm afraid," and in her arms he slipped away. No warning came, no place to hide, just thunder falling from the sky. They said it's war, just look away, but who will count the price they pay? Who heard the children cry as the walls came down and the smoke climbed high? Who held the mother's hand when she dug through ash for her broken land? Who stood with the fathers lost, kissing pictures through the dust? They called it defense, but we know why. Who heard the children cry? Little Amal had her favorite book. She read by candlelight and shook. The night they struck, her room turned red. She woke up screaming, her whole family dead. A brother ran to save his kin, but found his sister trapped within. He clawed through stone, and when he cried, there was no breath, just silence wide. God, who heard the children cry as the planes passed by and the stars said goodbye? Who called the falling names when all that's left were burnt remains? Who counted the empty beds, the shattered dolls, the missing heads? They turned their backs with no reply. Who heard the children cry? A man buried his wife and son. He said, "What did we do to anyone?" His hands were red, his voice was hoarse, but grief speaks loud